Alright, just a quick video about installing Tanklock system onto Ninja 400 or Kawasaki Z400. The Tanklock model is the BF29, and you'll see here it's for the Kawasaki Z900. GIVI currently haven't updated their website to show support for the Ninja 400 or Z400. However, this flange will work, I'm told, so let's give it a shot. Right, so the flange basically goes into place of the silver part there. So just have to remove these 4 screws and the little rubber grommet that's in there. It should slide into place. So we just have to move the locking mechanism over from the silver ring onto the new GIVI Tanklock. So we'll move these screws here. I don't know if you can see where they go on. So there it is. Get that done. Alright, got that flipped around. Looks good. Alright, there she is installed. Let's see if it closes. Alright, so now that it's installed, it should accept any GIVI Tanklock tank bag. There's some other brands too. IXS is the one I found online. It's a 5-liter Tanklock tank bag. And that's it. It's on there. And then to take it off, you just pinch, and it's off. These are pretty sturdy too. Alright, that's it.